A wallet or a purse is something that you use every day, so it needs to be three things: durable, long-lasting, and look great. And if you get to design it yourself so it's personalised just for you, well, that's even better. And fortunately, this is exactly what we do here at Tlusty. Everything we make is made by hand right here in our Prague workshop. There are no assembly lines, no cheap materials. We make things to last, not to be replaced. Our customers get to select different options when they buy online, so we don't have any stock out the back. We only ever start making something once we receive an order. Like all Tlusty leather goods, when we make our varieties of wallets, we use only vegetable tanned leather. It is more expensive, but the leather is much better quality and lasts a lot longer. Even better, it ages well and will look beautiful year after year. When you hold our wallets, you can feel how firm they are thanks to the quality and the thickness of the leather. Now, our team craft a variety of types of wallet. There's your normal wallets, mini wallets, money clips, billfolds, trifold wallets, purses, luxury wallets. There's a whole range to suit any style, any taste, and any use. Now, the great thing about Tlusty wallets is that we customize everything for you. When you order online, you'll get to select the colors of the leather we use, both inside and out, the colors of the thread, and you'll also get to add some little variations. So perhaps you might like a coin pocket instead of some credit card slots. We can do that really easily, and it's just one click online. Our business is based on customization and personalization. We want our customers to create what they want exactly how they want it. Now, one thing we'd love to do is emboss your leather good with either a monogram or a logo before it leaves our workshop. Now, when you get something that's monogrammed, it looks fantastic and you'll feel great holding it in your hands. And if you give it to someone as a gift, they will never forget. We deliver everywhere in the world, and you can track your order from our Prague workshop to wherever you are in the world. So take a moment to click around the website and check out the different styles of wallets and money clips that we have. Now, if you want a gift for yourself or someone else that they won't get anywhere else, a custom-made, handmade Tlusty wallet is just perfect. Start designing your new wallet or purse online at tlustyco.com.